tornado watch for the following counties in North Dakota: Burley, Emmons, Grant, Kidder, Morton, Oliver, and Sioux. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 574, effective until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in North Dakota: Burley, Emmons, Grant, Kidder, Morton, Oliver, and Sioux. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Sheridan County in south-central North Dakota until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northwest of McCluskey, or 33 miles southwest of Harvey, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Martin, Keith, Cheyenne Lake, Hoffer Lake, and Kruger Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Bismarck